Hi everyone, so I'm going to be showing you all how to open up an Etsy shop so that you can start selling on Etsy. You will first go to etsy.com and select register, and then you will begin filling out your email and first name and then a password.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah.
After you have entered in an email and created an account, you will go to the top where it says your account and sell on Etsy. Next, you'll go ahead and click get started, and this will pull up the information screen so that you can create your shop. You will go through all of these tabs and filling out all of your information that you will need to open your shop.
Put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lie like a rat.
Next, you will go ahead and enter in a shop name, and you are limited to 20 characters. And once you have a shop name selected, you will go ahead and check the availability. As you can see, the first name is not available, so I will go ahead and shorten it into a different name that will be available for my shop. Once you have selected a shop name, you will just go ahead with the next step, which will be adding items to your shop. And the Etsy shop that I am creating now is for digital items, but if you have physical products, you would just add those. So I will proceed with adding my first item. You will start by adding a photo, and I will just select it through my files.
You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lie like a rat, but take your stuff back, baby.
It's very important that you have high quality images, as this is what will attract buyers to your listings. After you have a photo selected, you can opt in to have a video for your listing as well, and then you will proceed with adding a title. Titles, tags, and the categories are very important with people being able to find your shop, so you just want to title it with something that a buyer will search for.
Every day would rain on your parade. Shine, you can't.
Next, you would just proceed with filling out the other tabs with clicking and selecting who made it, whether it was you or someone else in your company, and then you will choose the type of file it is or listing it is, which I'm using a digital file, so I will select digital instead of physical product.
What do I have to do to make you go? Oh, baby, it's you. It's you. It's you. It's you.
Also, it is very important to have a good description. It is very crucial that you use some of the same keywords in your title, in your description. That way it optimizes your search engine for buyers searching for your items. And lastly, it is also very important to have good tags. I will go ahead and insert in the next clip a good tool that you can use to research good SEOs and tags so that your listings are higher up in the Etsy rankings. That way your listings will be in front of more buyers and that you get more sales on your shop. And to make sure I'm using good tags, I like to use Sales Samurai, and this tool allows you to research tags on Etsy and it gives you the best options that you should put for your listings. I will leave my affiliate link down below so that you can get a percentage off your monthly subscription, and this tool is great for researching and allowing you to compare other listings similar to yours. That way you're ranked higher in the Etsy search engine. I will do a separate video explaining how to use the tools and get the most out of it. After you have selected your tags, you do want to be sure that you're using all of the tags that they have available, and making sure you have no tags left that you aren't using. And then you will go ahead and price your items. I typically price my items based on other Etsy listing of similar products. That way buyers are not paying significantly less than other listings or significantly more. And the step that I am completing is adding my items that buyers will purchase. Since this is a digital listing, I have to insert the digital file so that when they purchase it, it automatically allows them to download the files. And after adding your products and confirming your email, you do want to go ahead and set up how you will get paid through Etsy. And it will allow you, if you have a business registered entity, you will go ahead and enter that information in as well. And with my business, I do have an LLC, so I'll just go ahead and put that information into the boxes. However, you are not required to have a registered entity. If you are just an individual or have a sole proprietorship, you have that option as well. So I'm going to go ahead and fill out these tabs with all of my information. Now you will want to set up your billing information for potential Etsy fees, and also enter your bank account so that you can get paid through Etsy. And after you complete these steps, you are now ready to sell on Etsy. And the last and optional step would be to create your profile and add an image to your shop. I would recommend doing this, that way your shop is branded and people can recognize you in your listings very easily. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my logo to my shop, and that is it. That is how you create an Etsy shop and to sell digital files. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next upload. Bye.